How much should you actually spend on a portable car heater? Because you'll find some at a bargain price, but others can cost a pretty penny. It's a bit interesting how price doesn't always equal quality. Let's break down the top 5 options that really deliver. Product number 1, YGQ Portable Car Heater. First up is the YGQ Portable Car Heater, priced at $25.43. What caught my eye was its promise of instant heat. If you want quick warmth during those chilly mornings, this is worth a serious look. This heater plugs directly into your car's 12V outlet and provides instant warmth in seconds, which is perfect for winter commutes. With a dual function as a windshield defroster, it clears fog and ice quickly, ensuring your visibility is always clear. The 360 degrees rotatable design means you can direct the flow right where you need it, whether it's warming up your cabin or defrosting your windshield. With over 1,000 sales in the past month, it seems to be a popular choice. Now, some people complain that it can take a while to warm up in extremely cold conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're using it as a quick defroster or for short trips, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable heater for immediate warmth while commuting. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme cold and need something super powerful. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for fast heating needs. Product number 2, Blitra Portable Car Heater. Next, we have the Blitra Portable Car Heater retailing at $33.06. The first thing that stands out is its fast heating claim. If you're after a heater that warms up quickly, this one deserves your attention. This heater features a powerful 200W output that promises rapid warmth and effective defrosting. It's designed to be easily transferred between vehicles, so if you have more than one car, this is handy. The 360 degrees rotatable auto fan ensures that heat is evenly distributed, which is essential during those frosty mornings. It's made from high-quality ABS plastic, so you know it's built to last. However, a few users mention that it can be noisy when operating at high power. But honestly, the quick heat and defrosting capabilities make it worth it, especially if you're in a rush to get on the road. This is a great pick for anyone who values quick heating and defrosting. On the flip side, if noise is a major concern for you, you might want to consider alternatives. Now, if the noise issue with the Blitra worried you, the next product may be quieter yet just as effective. Product number 3, Numhasai Car Heater. Coming in third is the Numhasai Car Heater, priced at just $21.61. What caught my attention was its dual functionality for heating and cooling. If you need something versatile, this might be your go-to. This heater not only warms up your vehicle but can also cool it down, making it perfect for year-round use. It quickly eliminates frost and fog from your windshield, giving you a clear view while driving. The 360 degrees rotatable holder allows for easy airflow adjustment, which is great if you want the heat focused on a specific area. Plus, with its compact design, it's easy to store when not in use. That said, some users reported that it takes longer than expected to heat up compared to others. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something that also offers cooling in the summer, this trade-off can be worth it. This is perfect for those who want a heater that doubles as a fan for summer. Skip this one if you're looking for a heater that works instantly in freezing temperatures. Now, if the cooling function intrigued you, the next product has a unique design that might just suit your needs. Product number 4, KreaCare Car Heater. Next is the KreaCare Car Heater, available for $22.88. The first thing that impressed me is its large airflow design. If you want something that can heat up your car quickly, keep listening. This heater functions both as a heater and a fan, making it versatile for all seasons. Its high-power heating element clears frost and fog efficiently while warming the interior. Plus, the wide air outlet ensures that the heat covers a larger area quickly. It's constructed with durable materials, so you can expect it to last through harsh conditions. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not fit well in smaller cars due to its size. But honestly, if you have a larger vehicle, this shouldn't be an issue at all. This is a solid choice for anyone with a larger vehicle who needs quick heating. You might want to skip this if you have a compact car and need a smaller option. Alright, if the size was a concern, the final product on our list offers a more compact solution that could be right up your alley. Product number 5, URB car heater. Finally, we have the URB car heater priced at $20.34. What really stands out is its lightweight and portable design. If you're looking for something easy to carry and set up, this is worth considering. This heater does a fantastic job at quickly defrosting windshields and side windows, ensuring you can see clearly when on the road. The adjustable tilt head allows for easy direction of airflow, and it's lightweight enough to move around easily. Plus, it plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter, making installation a breeze. Some users mention that it might not heat as powerfully as larger models, but here's the thing, it's perfect for quick trips and small vehicles where you don't need excessive heating. This is ideal for anyone needing a simple, easy-to-use heater for occasional use. Skip this if you require something for heavy-duty heating needs or have a larger vehicle. In conclusion, we've covered some great options. The YGQ for quick warmth, the Blitra for fast heating, the Numhasai for versatility, the Kriya Care for large airflow, and the URB for portability. To wrap it all up, we've got 5 solid choices for portable car heaters, each catering to different needs. If you want quick heat, go for the YGQ. If fast heating is your priority, the Blitra is great. For versatility, check out the Numhasai, while the Kriya Care is perfect for larger spaces. Finally, if portability is key, the URB is your best bet. Whatever your needs, there's an option here for you.